Hey everyone, welcome to Confessions of the Yoga the Biker. I'm Yoga.
Mr20 West, I'm in the building.
Yeah,
I have my little thing on.
Yeah, mine's is tucked under because it was too cold earlier. So we are about to do a little bike maintenance because that is definitely important.
Key chain is hideous.
I got to get another cover for my little bae. The one I have is sitting on his right now, so I need to get another one. That one is like kind of like weather resistant as far as with the rain and everything. The one I got now, water and everything can come up, and the moisture is, like, as you can see, is causing damage to my screws and stuff. And yeah, you can see, yeah, that's hideous. So I'm in the process of ordering those, changing the screws out on the bike. But for today, we are about to, excuse me, sir. We are about to get this taken care of because poor bike. This rain and moisture is damaging my bike, so maintenance is important. So we got some things. We got the water, a little soap, if you can see. Got the WD-40, so, and our brush. So let's get started.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't recommend using soap and water. I use just normally water and just go through and try to get off as much dirt as possible. A lot of people use kerosene. And yeah, kerosene is really strong. So it'll be able to get that dirt off, and then you go back, of course, wash the kerosene off. And if you put like soap on there and then, like, you know, add water, that'll get rid of the kerosene off the chain, so you don't have to worry about the excess of that. But
so
water,
just water for now with the brush, just to
hit it. Yeah, get it going, and then we'll spray some WD-40 on there just to help lube it up a little bit more, and then we'll throw some more water on there, and then we throw some WD-40 on there, lube it up some more, and then by the time we do that, the chain should be great. Should be wonderful.
Okay, let's get started then. Like I said, here's the chain. We got the stand to make it easier. Stands are awesome, so we're about to get this taken care of.
This is how you put the chain on.
Oh.
Yeah.
So where was it? Move your claw. There it is.
It's not in a specific.
Yeah, but I didn't know. I didn't even know that was there. All right, so Tifa has helped me get my chain back to looking decent. It's not 1,000, but it's at least 100% better compared to what it was before. And he's getting the excess lubricant off. So all right, guys, that's a quick little maintenance that is important to keep your bike,
keep that chain lubed,
because that is a safety issue,
because you know, it helps the life of your chain, so you won't need another one, so you won't be out here like Michael Jackson talking about jump man, like you good.
Lord.
You gotta work.
Until next time,
Peace.
we're out.